What's going on, everybody? I hope you're all having a great day, and in today's video I got a very special house tour for you all with a special man named Jansen Klefeker with Rogers Healy & Associates. We have behind us a 7,285 square foot monster, 5 bedrooms, 5 full bathrooms, 2 half bathrooms, and most importantly, a 3-car garage. And Jansen, where are we right now?
We're in Dallas's best neighborhood. We're in Preston Hollow.
It doesn't get better than that, guys. And behind us, we're gonna give you an exclusive tour, so stick around and let's get started. All right, guys, before we get into the house, there's a couple things that I want to mention to you. I love cars. Do you love cars?
I love cars. I'm a big car guy.
All right, so we both love cars. If you love cars, I want you to comment below. Look at this massive driveway. You got concrete with beautiful stamped concrete trim. You also have an insane amount of space here. I mean, how many cars can you fit here? Just throw a number.
At least 20.
At least 20 cars.
At least 20.
At least 20. Okay, and I believe that. And you're talking a 3-car garage. So for me personally, in this 3-car garage, my lineup is a Lamborghini Aventador, a BMW M8 Grand Coupe, and a BMW X6M. All these are the 2021s. The new X6Ms are insane. Do you have a lineup?
I'm a classic Porsche guy.
Okay.
Give me anything in the 70s, Targa.
All right, so 3 Porsches?
911. Yeah. Let's
Even with a kid on the way, you still want that
Okay,
Porsche?
2 Porsches and a Volvo. Gotta be safe.
All right. Two Porsches and a Volvo. We'll make it happen. We got some gorgeous landscaping. We got the stucco finish on the exterior, balcony at the top, and a double iron door. Guys, it doesn't get better than this, but let's take you inside.
Are you guys ready to see it? Are you ready to see it?
No, hold up. If you guys are ready, I want you to hit the like button. I think
Subscribe.
Hey, subscribe, they're good.
Okay, let's go.
Welcome in, guys. You guys can go in first out of respect. All right, guys, so as soon as you enter this house, one thing that always catches my attention is some super high ceilings. If you don't have high ceilings in a house, it's really not that grand when you enter it. Can you agree to that?
I 100% agree. When you walk into this house, it just feels like an estate. You walk in, it's massive. You see the staircase, you see the living space, you see the dining room.
You nailed it.
It's huge.
You nailed it. Is this right here what you consider a formal living?
This is the formal living. Yes.
So when you say formal living, who comes over here? Like the top tier guests or the guests you don't want to go inside?
Yep, this is the family conversations. This is when you have friends
this is
over
when they
before
say
dinner.
You gotta go to school.
Yes. This is where you sit down with your daughter's prom date before they go to prom.
This
awesome. Is it.
I love it. Okay, and guys, when you're sitting over here, just look at that beauty right there. Look at that staircase. You got lights going throughout the stairs. You got a nice chandelier coming straight down. It's a spiral staircase, so it depends on how much you can tolerate throwing up or not throwing up, because it just keeps on spinning, right? So you gotta make sure that you can tolerate that. These stairs right here, you would say hardwood floor faced with the white?
Yes. The flooring in this house is red oak #2.
Okay.
Top of the line, incredible quality, stained this dark color. It's beautiful.
I love it. It's awesome. It blends right into it. These iron doors, guys, if you try to open an iron door, you know they're heavy, and these, boy, they're heavy. All right, guys, now on the entrance of the house, you're welcomed also with this right here, which, me personally, this is my office. I love having my office at the front of the house because every single person who passes in and out, I know. Do you get what I'm saying?
I get what you're saying.
You want to know who comes knocks on your door.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And this right here, I'd have my chair, I'd have my desk, I'd be signing executive orders, I'd be doing my notes and everything. I'd be over here at 5 a.m. with my coffee right here. I love it. And not only that, but you can see who comes in the house, and on top of that, you can see who's in front of you in your house. Jansen, I know you want an office like this.
I do. This is beautiful.
You
got 10-foot ceilings, tons of natural light.
Nice.
It's everything you could ever want.
I love it. And also you mentioned something that was real interesting. You guys want to listen to this. Inside, all the ceilings, specific rooms are all over. You have those right there. Can you explain a little bit about it?
So it's throughout the entire house. If the house is bigger than 7,000 square feet in Texas, it has to have a fire suppression system. Wow. So when the house heats up, if there's a fire somewhere and it heats up above a certain limit, it's not like 105 degrees, it's like 180.
Because Texas is already 100.
It's 100 degrees today. We're sweating through our suits. This will melt, and all over that house you'll see water spouts come out, and it'll put out the fire. It's a huge value add, and make sure insurance premiums go way down.
Big time.
It's a really nice feature.
I love it. That's awesome. Some good details in this home that wasn't spared. All right, guys, I'm gonna welcome you right now into. Oh, you're over here already?
What's going on? Welcome to the West Wing.
West Wing right here. We are in the master bedroom, and I'm gonna let you take this one.
I love this space. First of all, you have the double doors that open up to the entire West Wing of the house. You have your master primary bedroom. It's plenty of space. You've got seating, you can have your TV, you've got your bed, you've got access to the back patio, which has direct access to the trail on the back of the house. And then it opens up to a beautiful, massive bath. This bath spared no expense. We've got beautiful porcelain tile on the floor, beautiful porcelain tile in the shower, your standing tub, sitting tub, soaking tub. What do you want to call it?
I'd call this one the Karam Get in the Tub thumbnail tub.
There we go. Let's get the thumbnail. We've got 2 vanity sinks, 1 vanity for the wife to do the makeup, and then we've got 2 closets, hers and his. And guys, this is my favorite feature on the entire house. The Peloton room. The room where we have the expensive toy that we never use. But right in here, you've got plenty of space for your Peloton bike, your yoga mats, whatever you want to do.
One thing that I want to let you guys also see is the master closets. Now, you guys all know when you have suits and you got the Gucci and the Louis and you got the Burberry and you got the Prada and you got the nice stuff, you need your shoes, you need your purses, you need your suits, and this closet is a great size. And not only that, this is just the her closet. Sadly, I'm sorry for all the men out there. You guys always get the smaller closets and also the smaller vanities, but that's just what it is. You just don't have a say in it. And this bathroom does it all for the master. Also, you got the large walk-in shower. Just walk right in here and just do your thing. Just think of life, think of business, and just enjoy. You got a shower head here, a shower head at the top. You're gonna get rained on no matter where you go. And one thing that I also wanted to point out in this master bedroom is, aside from the high ceilings, aside from saying, what is this called, the West Wing?
Yeah, the West Wing.
I love it. I feel like I'm in an exotic resort. The West Wing is the windows on it, the natural light that comes in. This right here is not something that's ordinary. Sometimes you'll find a window or 2. Sometimes you'll find where there's natural light not coming in that strong. But over here you got 1, 2, 3, 4 windows. You also got the double doors that take you to the backyard, which we'll show you in a little bit. And it's just a beauty in this master.
Check this out, guys. Now we're in the dining room. We're at the front of the house. You walk into the massive foyer, and right here you have
Wait, what was that?
Foyer.
That's what they call it?
Foyer.
I thought it's a foyer.
I'm French.
Oh, okay, keep going, you're good.
It's a beautiful table. You could seat 10. There's only 6 chairs here. You could seat 10. You could probably seat 12 having a round table here. It'd be King Arthur and the...
I love it. And not only that, but you got the windows that are plugging right into you. Windows are everything. The natural light, the windows, it just gives you life into a home, and this one has it all. And the connection to this room right here, this is going to be the dining room. The connection to it, as we're walking, is the kitchen, which is absolutely gorgeous.
Before you even get to the kitchen, though, you have a butler pantry. So if you're hosting guests, you have your 12 friends over and you're having dinner. Right here, you have the food, the beverages, whatever you want to have stocked here.
Okay.
And behind you, you have a massive, massive walk-in pantry. You'll get a peek of that.
And then you walk into the kitchen.
The crown jewel of the house, the kitchen. Massive working island with beautiful quartz countertops. You've got beautiful cabinets. These cabinets have been painted and sanded over 5 times to get this perfect, crisp, clean white.
Wow.
You've got a beautiful Monogram GE appliance package. This is top of the line. This is best that you can get from Monogram. Built-in fridge, double oven, built-in microwave, beautiful dishwasher, but hidden so that
Let me ask you this though.
Hit me.
You're saying beautiful this and beautiful that, but let me ask you this. Can you cook yourself a good tomahawk steak?
Yes.
Do you eat it well done,
Reverse
medium
sear.
well, or rare?
Medium rare.
Yeah, you're not gonna get heat in the comments. They're gonna like you. I like my steak medium well and sometimes well done, and everybody hates on me.
Here's the thing about steak.
Uh-huh.
Before being in real estate, I worked at a steakhouse for like 5 years.
No
you didn't know this about me.
Wow.
You can eat your steak however you want, man. It's your steak. Now, if we're sharing, I'll eat mine first. They'll cook it medium rare. I'll be
it.
done with it. They'll throw it back on the grill for him, and then.
I love it. That is awesome. And I thought these apples were real, but they're not. But to continue with that, you have over here where you're gonna eat breakfast with the family. You're gonna eat lunch with the family. You're gonna eat even dinner if you feel like it with the family. You got the 2, the 1, and the 2 windows all over, just like I shared with you. And also something that is beautiful with this is it's open concept. At the same time, it gives you your privacy within the kitchen. I love the white kitchens. I love the granite countertops. I love what's going on into this home. And also the beauty of connecting into, what would you call this?
This is the family room.
Family room, okay. Now this family room right here is connecting to the kitchen. So you get hungry, you go right to the kitchen.
Yep.
You got the family cooking, you can smell it right over here. And it's awesome. What do they got tucked in over there hiding from us?
You know how earlier I showed you guys the office and I said I'd show you the study later? Here we have the study. If you have a secondary office, a homework room, whatever you need to make it, this is it. This is a flex space for you and your family. It grows with you while you grow. Whatever you need to make it, this is it. Best part about the architectural design of this house is you have the kitchen, you have the dining room, you have the breakfast nook, you have the family room. It's all in the ecosystem of the house to make it perfect for you and your family, so that when you have friends over, you're hosting, you're having a good time, and the fun never ends. As soon as you're done having dinner or watching the game, you can go outside, have a nice glass of wine, continue to watch the game outside if you want to. It's all right here in this beautiful home.
And keep in mind, 7,285 square feet, and he literally just told you it's its own ecosystem. So how do you have a house this big with a floor plan that literally connects you from room to room? It's a beautiful design, and whoever did it, shout out to them. All right, guys, now we shared with you this house is 7,285 square feet, which means it's massive. To go from room to room, door to door is not gonna be that easy, but what we did right now is we shared with you the most important parts downstairs, and now we're gonna walk with you guys up the stairs and, you know, give some features of this twirly staircase and make sure that you hold on the rail so you don't flip.
I have terrible knees, so I have to hold on to the railing. No, I'm just kidding. I'm good.
You're still young.
Yeah.
I was like,
My favorite thing about the staircase are the light features. There's no shortage of them. It's beautiful. It exposes all the beautiful cavities of the staircase, and then you make your way upstairs and boom.
I love it. And you know what's crazy is at night, if you just keep all the lights of the house turned off and you keep the stair lights turned on, it gives it such an exotic look. I think that would be beautiful. Now I shared with you high ceilings. The ceilings are this high from the downstairs as soon as you enter to the top, which is awesome. Those guests who walk into your house, anybody who walks in, if you're chilling upstairs, you can see whoever walks into your house, and that's just always cool, especially when you have guests that you don't want them to see you, but you want to see them.
Exactly.
You got to be a little bit sneaky, right?
Yep.
What do we got over here right now?
The fun doesn't stop in this house. Upstairs you have a game room. It's a flex space. You've got a wet bar in the corner. You have this area that the builder has waited to build out for the buyers. If you want it to be a game closet, if you want it to be a homework room, if you want it to be a fully stocked wet bar, let us know. We got you covered. But this is the game room. You've got a beautiful patio that outlooks to the North Haven Trail. Fun fact about this trail, guys, is the North Haven Trail connects all the way from Richardson to Uptown. You can ride your bike, scooter, whatever you want to do, all the way down to Uptown.
But when you say Richardson to Uptown, give us a time. Like how, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 10 minutes?
On the trail?
In a car.
Oh, in a car, from Richardson to Uptown, you're looking at about 25 minutes.
So what are you talking about on a trail?
On a trail, you can go running for miles. Like I said, the fun doesn't stop in this house. We just saw the game room. We, right now, are seeing what could be your fully stocked wet bar. We'd love to build it out for you, whatever you want. And then we get to the home theater. It's my favorite room in the house. When I see this room, I immediately think of game night. You're shutting the door, you got your Dallas Cowboys on, or Dallas Mavericks, or Dallas Stars.
What about the Texas Rangers?
No.
Why?
They're awful this year. But we're holding out. We're praying. Texas Rangers, please, please, please.
At least
please
we have
win
some
a
hope
couple
in
games.
At least we have some hope. Now, when you're in this room, family, friends, whoever you want,
yep.
You're watching a movie, you're watching a game, you got yourself the popcorn, you got yourself the Coke, you got yourself the drinks, you got yourself the candies, whatever it is that you want. What do you like? What's your favorite thing?
I'm a big Swedish fish guy. So as long as we have a fully stocked Swedish fish shelf, I'm good.
He's good. So he's not that hard to please. I wonder what everybody who's watching this right now would love in their theater. Comment below. Tell me what you guys like. I know for me, popcorn with some butter. I gotta have that large Coke with a ton of ice, and that's just me. So this was the theater that we were just in, and we're gonna take you to the epic bedrooms right now.
Upstairs, we spared no expense on the additional bedrooms. First of all, there's 5 bedrooms in this house. Upstairs, you have 2 that book in this incredible patio. So late at night, you finish watching your movie, you're not ready for bed yet, you want to jump onto the patio, catch the cool breeze, enjoy it. And that connects to my favorite bedroom in the entire house outside of the master bedroom.
Wow, I love it.
This is huge.
Yeah, this is
plenty of
nuts.
space. You can even throw a TV up here. I'm not sure if it would look great from the street.
Yeah.
But hey, why not? Voila. How'd I get inside so fast? Camera. Magic. That's how. Check this out. This is my favorite bedroom. Why? Because it's dimensional. You've got so many arches. You have a beautiful arched hallway as you walk in. That's going to bring you all the way around. If you're a young girl, this is going to feel like the tower in the castle that you're in. This is, if you're a young boy, this is going to feel like your man cave.
I love it.
Whatever you want.
But I don't know if they're going to put a young boy and a young girl next to the balcony unless they put a really high up lock.
True. I mean, there's plenty of 10-foot ceilings. You can have a lock 9 feet up.
I mean, you can't get up 9 feet. And then you got over here the full bathroom with a full closet. And this is basically giving that full privacy to whoever's in that bedroom. You got yourself your own shower, your own toilet, your own hand sink, whatever you want. Plus, you got a full closet for yourself, which is, of course, useful. I myself would know if I was a kid, I'd want to have a full bathroom. All right, guys, now we're going to show you the backyard right now. You can go first here.
Thank you, sir.
And then me. And then we're going to walk you into the backyard where, let me give you a quick vision. You got your entire family over here. You got a plasma TV up there. You got nice, friendly neighbors who are walking on the trail. What's this trail called again?
This is called the North Haven Trail.
North Haven Trail, which takes you to the Katy Trail.
Correct.
Okay, and then you got some great grass right here that, let me tell you something. You can make this into mini golf. On top of that, trust me, if you have a house that's worth $2,050,000, you're not trying to cut no grass. You don't want any grass. So in this beast, you don't need to worry about that. The backyard is yours. All right, guys, there you have it. We just showcased to you the entire home, and it was a beautiful one. I want you all who was watching this video to comment below what was your favorite thing about this home. And most importantly, if you guys enjoyed it, hit the like button, and you gotta subscribe, not to one channel today, I'm sorry, to 2. Jansen Klefeker's YouTube channel, what do you talk about on there?
Residential real estate.
Residential real estate. So if you guys like residential real estate in the Dallas area, you gotta go subscribe to his channel. And most importantly, guys, if you enjoyed this, you want more of it, then subscribe because we got a lot more coming to you. Jansen, thank you so much for your time, my brother. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Both of us, we're out.